Indian mangoes, known for their exceptional taste and aroma, have become a highly coveted delicacy around the world. But why are they so expensive compared to other varieties? Now, our next report breaks down the data behind the price of Indian mangoes. Take a look.
The king of fruits is wearing a crown of gold. Quite literally, mango prices have soared in recent times, leaving mango lovers scrambling for respite. Prices of mangoes in India, the world's largest producer, are priced significantly higher than other varieties from countries like Mexico and Brazil. In fact, wholesale prices for Indian mangoes are 5 to 6 times higher. While some attribute this to regulatory costs such as irradiation and inspections, research shows that shipping and wholesale markups contribute the most to the high cost. The total price of Indian mangoes averages $4.20 per pound, with farm costs in India only accounting for 29% per pound. Air freight and wholesale markups make up the bulk of the price increase. Let's break down the costs. Of the $4.20 per pound, 29 cents come from the farm in India, while irradiation adds another 14 cents. Inspection fees contributes 35 cents. However, air freight costs a significant $1.24 per pound, and wholesalers add another $1.88 per pound for their costs and margins. Regulatory and treatment costs, while important, are less impactful on the final price than the logistics and markups involved in bringing the mangoes to market. Shipping costs and the small volume of trade also play a role in maintaining high prices. Climate change poses an emerging threat to mango production globally. Rising temperatures, erratic rainfall, and extreme weather events disrupt traditional mango cultivation patterns. These fluctuations impact flowering, fruit set, and overall fruit quality. Studies show that mango trees exhibit resilience to some of these changes, but adaptation strategies are crucial to ensure sustainable production. Research is focusing on how different mango cultivars respond to these climate challenges, highlighting the need for long-term solutions to safeguard the industry. Bureau Report, WION World is One.